Greg again from Heck Yeah, You Can Cook, and today you are going to make a recipe sent in by one of my subscribers. Like I said, it's not about me, it's about sharing recipes up here as well, of a gluten-free peanut butter bomb bar is what I like to call it. It is fantastic. It is sweet. It is wonderful. I made these a couple days ago. Really enjoyed them, and they're gluten-free, which is what I like a whole lot. This goes out to Gail. Gail is a former co-worker of mine and a subscriber, and I'm very appreciative of her sending me this recipe. So these are Gail's peanut butter gluten-free bombs, and let's give them a shot here. For today, the tools you're going to need a cooking sheet lined with parchment paper. And you're going to need a mixing bowl. I'm using my stand mixer with the cookie paddle attachment. These. Hope you got them. Got to roll some balls up here in just a minute and put these on the cooking sheet. While I've got your attention, everyone, please like, share, and subscribe. Remember, we give away an apron every 100 new subscribers we get. Appreciate the support. We can be found on all the social media sites, and we also are on the internet at heckyeahyoucancook.com, and on Facebook, we have a Facebook group by the same name. Hope you can join us there. Today's ingredients, all right, you're going to need 1 cup of sugar. All right, so it's 1 whole cup of sugar. You're going to need 1 egg. Okay, you're going to need a cup of, these are milk chocolate chips, and you're going to need a cup of crunchy peanut butter. This will be the hardest part to do, is getting the peanut butter into this measuring cup. You're also going to need, now I added this was something I added to the recipe and it kicked it up a little bit. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/2 a teaspoon of nutmeg, just to give it a little more punch when you're making it. Now also you'll need a spoon, I forgot to mention that, to scoop the peanut butter out as you're putting it in here. So basically all you do is you take your mixing bowl and you add the ingredients. Now I'm going to put the sugar in first. I hope I said we needed an egg. Perhaps I did, perhaps I didn't. We need an egg. And then I put the peanut butter in. Now let me get a nice big wooden spoon here. And you push the peanut butter right out. Now I am using natural peanut butter here. I would highly suggest you do that. I don't like all the added oils of the other peanut butters. I like it when it's 100% peanuts. I go ahead and add the egg. I know somebody just said, oh no, he cracked it on the side of the bowl. You're right, probably shouldn't have done that. I add the cinnamon, add the nutmeg, and of course the chocolate chips. Set this in your stand mixer. All right. Cookie paddle on. And I'm going to pause here, put the camera in position so you can see it mixing together, and then as we put the balls together. While this is working, preheat your oven to 375 degrees for this recipe. 375. Okay, we've got everything in the mixing bowl. Now I'm just making sure it's locked in position. There we go. And I put it on 1. Just kind of let it go slowly. It's integrating the sugars until we make a cookie dough. Now we've got that done, we're going to take the lid off. All right, take the bowl out. And we're going to simply make these in the balls. Take the dough, roll it into your hand, about ping pong size, set it right down. Kind of space these out and while they're cooking. Do this until you've got all of them on your cookie plate. I make rows of 4. Now that we've got them all formed, we're going to put them in the oven. We'll come back and look. We're going to let them cook for about 15 minutes. Start checking about 12. And as soon as they get brown on the top, nice and formed, we'll pull them out of the oven and check them. Thanks, everyone. Something I forgot to mention, you're going to need a cooling rack. You don't want to set these on the counter when they come out of the oven. Okay, everybody, the timer has gone off. Time to pull out our creation. Look at that. Now, as I know, many of us have been to Grandma's house. We want to get a hold of these things as soon as they come out of the oven. There's not enough gluten in there for that. So let these sit, let these cool completely before you eat them. But they smell fantastic. They are just as delicious as you could want, and they're gluten-free. Hope everybody enjoys. Shout out to Miss Gail Story for sharing this recipe. These are Gail's peanut butter gluten-free bombs, cookies. Hope everybody likes them, enjoys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and tell your friends. Everyone have a great day.